As the leading company for non-university research, Upper Austrian Research is a key player in the research, technology and innovation policy of the province of Upper Austria. In cooperation with influential partners and 10 highly respected associated companies, it supports the implementation of innovative solutions at the crossroads, where fundamental and application-oriented research meet. With its expertise and comprehensive R&D activities, the Software Competence Center Hagenberg, SCCH for short, supports its partners and customers in the fields of software engineering and technology and knowledge-based technology, from the initial idea right through to its implementation. This cooperation at every step of the way enables the seamless transfer of scientific findings and state-of-the-art technologies to high-quality solutions for industry.
The Software Competence Center
Hagenberg is an application-oriented research institute in the software field. This means that we focus equally on gaining new scientific findings and on applying these findings to specific problems in industry.
Für konkrete Probleme aus der Wirtschaft konzentrieren.
We work in 5 main areas, all of which are inspired by the needs of industry.
Inspiriert von den Aufgabenstellungen der Wirtschaft.
Process and quality engineering aims to develop innovative, state-of-the-art concepts and methods for quality and process management, and to implement and continually improve them as tailor-made business processes and tools. The development of software products is a complex challenge. Requirements must be ascertained, architectural models made, source codes developed, and test cases generated. The work is made still more complex when several developments are in progress simultaneously for products which are being developed parallel to one another and use shared libraries or platforms. For Engel Austria, the solution designed and implemented was a tool-based application lifecycle management system. The system supports the activities in the software development process through its entire life cycle, from the requirements analysis to the trial and maintenance phase, by means of complete automation. This means that the product and process quality can be determined, controlled, and continually improved at a glance and at every step. Because technology cycles are becoming shorter and shorter, it is crucial to save the technical know-how contained in the software in abstract form and independent of technology as so-called domain models. The research-focused models, architectures and tools help companies to do this. In a project conducted with the firm of Keba, the prototype of a domain-specific graphic language was developed which experts can use to adjust machine processes on the machinery itself, simply and logically, with no prior knowledge of programming. This required the creation of an intuitive and error-tolerant programming environment. A further advantage is the considerable reduction of setup and tool-changing times.
Operator einloggen.
The constantly growing amounts of data offer great potential. Data mining can be used to retrieve knowledge useful for process optimization, quality assurance, early fault detection, and predictions. Data analysis systems focuses on precisely these aspects, detecting recurring patterns in the data and using them as a basis for predicting future events. For example, to calculate a forecast of the amount of energy required to heat a factory building, precise daily forecasts of the outside temperature and the sunlight at the location are required. The results of conventional global weather models are too imprecise for this purpose. What is needed are weather forecasts with a low error rate, which are devised with high temporal resolution specifically for this location. This was the starting point of the project Blue Forecast, commissioned by the firm of Blue Sky Wetteranalyse in Attnang-Puchheim. With this statistical tool, forecast models are trained using the data and records from local survey stations. This enables highly accurate forecasts for precise locations. First Alpine Stahl runs a large number of information systems to meet the requirements of their daily workflow. To make the data useful that accumulates in the process, it has to be gathered together from the various information systems to form an overall consolidated package. Based on a COMET project that has already been successfully completed, semantic gaps are currently being closed as part of the COMET project ZEM-Data with the aid of conceptual models. Processes are being created for the consolidation and analysis of process-oriented data. In knowledge-based vision systems, the focus is on the use of computer vision systems for improvements to products and processes in industrial applications. The research group's work concentrates on quality inspection and the analysis of movement in series of images. It develops intelligent learning analysis systems for image data. It is also conducting research into the logic and knowledge-based modeling of quality criteria and cognitive aspects of aesthetic assessment. Areas of application include quality inspection, textural and movement analysis. In the manufacture of airbag hoses for the automotive industry, the very highest quality standards must be met. The accuracy of the inspection is correspondingly important. The SCCH developed a quality inspection for the firm of R. Haberkorn & Co. with the aid of photography. This customized all-round solution was integrated into the existing system. It checks the length and width of the hose and examines the texture for faults in the weave, thereby guaranteeing a complete inspection. The rigorous methods focus of software engineering deals with the so-called rigorous methods, which are intended to complement current software development techniques. The aim is precise modeling of critical system components. The system characteristics to be achieved are safety, integrity and reliability.
For the Software Competence Center
Hagenberg, it is of course also important to remain active as an application-oriented scientific research institute in future. This means accepting the scientific, international challenges as well as making sure our topics meet the needs of industry. To this end, international partnerships and the continuing scientific development of our employees will play a vital role.
Die Weiterentwicklung im wissenschaftlichen Sinn unserer Mitarbeiterinnen und Mitarbeiter von großer Bedeutung.